Hello there! Today we are going to download Red Hat OS 8. Download link will be in the description below. You will need your own Red Hat account to be able to download this ISO image. So once you have downloaded it, we can go ahead and start with the installation. Right, so in the VMware workstation, go ahead and click on File, New Virtual Machine, Typical, and browse to your ISO image. Should be RHEL 8.3. Next. So you just write your full name and set your password. So the recommended disk size will be 20 gig. We're just going to follow that. And I will actually set my memory, my RAM, to 12 GB. Let me just edit that from here. So that will be 12 GB because I will be installing other software inside my OS. Alright, so we're going to finish that. Set the network to NAT and power on this virtual machine. So I guess the installation will just start by itself. So after the machine has been installed, go ahead and log into your account and close everything. Now we are going to set up the machine so that we can update and install softwares. So open up your terminal from activities and click on terminal, and we are going to register the system by typing in subscription manager and register. Login as root. Now log in with your Red Hat account. The system has been registered and we are given a system name, localhost.local domain. After that, we can subscribe this computer, subscription manager, and subscribe. Login as root again. Alright, the machine is set up and done. Now we can update our repository by sudo yum update. Type in your password. Alright. su root yum and update. Yes, that will install all the packages you need, and you can upgrade and install new packages